Welcome to the future of energy. Today, we are diving deep into the heart of solar power, battery storage systems. Choosing the right battery is the most critical decision for your home solar setup, affecting both performance and your wallet. In this guide, we compare the two main contenders, lead-acid and lithium-ion batteries. Whether you are a DIY installer or a homeowner looking for efficiency, understanding these differences is essential. Let us start with the veteran of the industry, the lead-acid battery. Lead-acid batteries have been used for decades because they are reliable and have a lower upfront cost. However, they come with significant limitations, particularly regarding their depth of discharge. If you discharge a lead-acid battery below 50%, you risk damaging its lifespan permanently. They are also heavy and require a lot of space, making them difficult for compact residential installs. Now, let us transition to the technology changing everything, lithium-ion. Lithium iron phosphate, or LiFePO4, is the current gold standard for home energy storage. Unlike lead-acid, lithium batteries offer a much higher depth of discharge, often up to 90 or even 100%. This means you get more usable energy out of every pound of battery you install. They are significantly smaller and lighter, allowing for flexible installation on walls or in small closets. Let us talk about the long game. How long do these batteries actually last in a real-world home? A typical lead-acid battery might last 3 to 5 years depending on maintenance and usage patterns. In contrast, high-quality lithium batteries can easily last 10 years or more with minimal degradation. While lithium is more expensive upfront, the cost per cycle is often much lower over the battery's life. You would have to replace your lead-acid bank 2 or 3 times to match the lifespan of one lithium bank. Modern lithium systems also come with advanced management software, accessible right from your phone. This allows you to monitor energy flow, battery health, and savings in real time, day or night. So, which one should you choose? It depends on your specific goals and budget. For budget-conscious off-grid cabins, lead-acid might still be a viable, cost-effective option. But for full-time residential use, lithium provides the best long-term value, safety, and efficiency. Invest in the right technology today to ensure your home stays powered for the next decade.